Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to speak about a cornerstone of success and personal growth: discipline. Discipline is everything. It's the foundation upon which dreams are built and goals are achieved. Without discipline, even the most ambitious plans can fall apart. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment, said Jim Rohn. This simple yet profound statement captures the essence of why discipline is so crucial. It is the consistent application of effort, the unwavering commitment to our goals, and the ability to stay focused amidst distractions that ultimately leads to success. Consider the athlete who trains tirelessly, the student who studies diligently, or the artist who practices daily. Their achievements are not the result of mere talent or luck, but of relentless discipline. Discipline is what pushes us to get up early, to keep working when others rest, and to persist despite setbacks and failures. In our daily lives, discipline manifests in small, consistent actions. It is choosing to stay organized, to prioritize our time, to make healthy choices, and to stay true to our commitments. These seemingly minor decisions compound over time, leading to significant outcomes. In a world full of distractions and instant gratification, discipline sets us apart. It empowers us to rise above challenges and to transform our aspirations into reality. So, let us embrace discipline in every aspect of our lives. Let us commit to our goals with unwavering determination and steadfast focus. Remember, the path to greatness is not easy, but with discipline, it is certainly achievable. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, discipline is the key to unlocking your full potential. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. If you found this message inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more motivational content, and share it with someone who could use a little extra encouragement today. Stay disciplined, stay determined, and keep striving for excellence. Until next time, keep pushing forward and make your dreams a reality. Thank you so much.